nice of you to show up.
Oh, looks like you got everything in hand. That's the thing with that proactive solution. If it ain't flashing, it's working. Do you want a coffee, mate?
This can't be right. Something's attacking every core in the iVendi matrix.
It looks like the threat's coming from an external source.
A customer? Agent 1! Grab me a coffee! It's go time! Red alert! All hands on deck! Oh, I need a coffee now.
Red alert? You sure? That means we've got to change the light bulbs.
Oh, no, no, no.
OMG, it's a code 911. Man, I could sure use a coffee. Hey, mate, what's a code 911?
Big boss doesn't know what a 911 is.
Don't worry, Tiger. Nobody does. Just try and look busy.
How are we supposed to fix this? What on earth is a code 911?
I don't know, but everyone's depending on us right now.
Well, if no one will get me one, I'll have to get one for myself.
Have you looked in the error codes yet?
I have. There's literally nothing there.
Wait, have you checked for a code 116?
Found it!
Well, what does it say?
It says here, to fix a code 116 is to...
Turn it off and on again.
No members of the team agree with the use of this cliched and regressive parody of technical support services and feel this is an inappropriate acquisition of an aging and uninformed solution without user context or platform knowledge.
Nice. Wait, that's not you. That's the problem with sunglasses.
Looks like an all in hand.
Yep.
It doesn't help.
It says, the script says, they share a laugh. The mood is jovial.
I love it, Kristen. He's done it every time.
Okay, sorry.
The mood is jovial.
Looks like you got everything in control.
And again.
I was waiting for a pop.
Oh no.
Sound speed.
Oh no, no, no. Our boss doesn't know what a 911 is.
Don't worry, Joe. Nobody does. Just try and look busy.
Oh no. Oh my god! How can I not? Right, since we changed to oh no, I'm struggling with that.